Hey, buddies! Who wants to go swimming? Yeah!
What's the matter, Nathan? Well, it's just that I don't know how to swim.
Don't worry, we could teach you.
Yeah, let's go! If you want to learn how to swim, then before you dive right in, you gotta listen up and learn the rules. Welcome to our swimming school. Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah! Wow, I can't wait to be able to swim just like you guys!
Whoa, hold up, Nathan. First, you gotta be sure you're safe. Put your armbands on. They can help you float along. Float around the pool, all about the place. And best of all, you will be safe.
Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah! Now you're ready to go. Remember to take it slow. Start to kick your little feet. Soon you'll see that swimming's neat. Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah! This is so much fun! What's next?
Now you need to move your arms. You'll be swimming in no time. Move your arms like you wanna fly. Like a birdie in the sky. Soon you'll find you're moving along as we sing our swimming song.
Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah! I could swim just like a fish, but I only have one wish. I wish this never had to end. Swimming's the best with your friends. Swimming, oh swimming, playing in the pool. Swimming, oh swimming, swimming is so cool, yeah!